Hello guys! For today's video guys, ay gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo ang latest hiring ng IPAMS Agency or Industrial Personnel Management Services Incorporation. Dahil dito guys, meron silang mga latest hiring bound to Australia, Belgium, Czech Republic, Papua New Guinea, Canada, Saudi Arabia, Philippines, United Kingdom, and United States of America. At meron din sila sa Qatar, UAE, Timor-Leste, at yun nga guys, para sa mga gusto mag-apply dito sa IPAMS, mag-a-accept na po sila ng mga walk-in applicant December 13 to 15, 2023, Wednesday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Okay guys, sa mga gusto mag-apply dyan, para malaman nyo yung legit na page ng IPAMS, ilalagay ko yan sa aking screen. So, inuulit ko, disclaimer lang, hindi po ako agency. Okay, sa Australia, kailangan nila dyan ng mga tile setter. Sa Belgium, maintenance technician, site managers. Sa Czech Republic, kailangan nila dyan ng aircraft mechanics, aircraft sheet metal technician. Papua New Guinea, aircraft mechanics, aircraft sheet metal technician. Okay, ang nakalagay dito, documents to bring, filled out general evaluation form, uploaded detailed CV resume, passport valid for more than 3 years, valid NBI clearance, educational credential, like diploma, 4137 or TOR, DMWE registration and PAYUS certificate, at COVID-19 vaccine. Ayan. Submit authentic document only. Okay, yun ang nakalagay. Para po sa mag-a-apply naman ng Canada, ito po yung hiring, auto denters, cabinet makers, CNC machinists, pica welder assemblers, forklift operator, heavy equipment operator, backhoe bulldozer, grade loader and wheel loader, heavy equipment technician, heavy truck mechanics, meal restaurant manager, material handler, mobile crane mechanics, molders, public work maintenance, equipment driver, seams stresses, sheet metal operators, tanker truck mechanic, truck assemblers, truck drivers, truck electrician, truck mechanics, truck painters, wood processing and machine operator. So, the same lang din yung mga kailangan yung dalhin na document. Para naman sa Saudi Arabia, capital planners, corrosion engineers, field support engineers, instrument maintenance foreman, instrument maintenance supervisor, instrument technician, instrumentation maintenance engineer, maintenance planner, marine operators, mechanical inspection engineers, mechanical maintenance engineers, planning and performance analysis, renewable power engineers, renewable transaction specialists, senior dig and analyzer tech specialist, senior engineer, BS and electrical engineers, terminal harbor pilots, transformer engineer. Okay ha, sa Saudi Arabia yan guys. Meron din sila sa atin sa Pilipinas, siguro sa agency ito, mga accountant, commission electrical engineer, sales engineer, SCADA engineer. Okay. Sa United Kingdom, ito po yung hiring nila, machine quality technician, food industry, mechanical engineer, food industry, registered nurses, site supervisor, skilled roofers, teaching assistant. Para naman po sa United States of America, ay mga registered nurse po yung mga kailangan dyan. Sa Qatar, kailangan nila dyan ng chef de partie, commis 1 and 2, demi chef de partie, Soul Chef. Sa UAE, female lifeguards. Ayan, Oracle System Consultants. And Timor-Leste Accountants, Credit and Control Officer, HR Manager, IT and Admin Manager, Junior Accountants and Officer, Maintenance and Executive Technician, Sales and Leasing Manager, Warehouse Manager. So, yung mga naghahanap sa akin ng forklift operator, meron po dito, bound to Canada. Sa lahat po ng agency na nakita ko, ito yung isa sa pinakamagandang agency na may ibigay ko sa inyo na nakapagpaalis ng workers bound to Canada. Marami na po ako nakita dito na galing sa agency ng IPAMS. Ito guys, IPAMS ay hindi lang po nakapagpadala na rin sila ng workers papunta dito sa Hungary. Meron po tayong ibang kababayan na galing din po dito sa IPAMS. Kaya ko din nalaman tong agency na to. Pero ngayon nga guys, yun may mga latest nila, wala pa po dito sa Hungary. So, ayun na nga guys, sana makatulong tong video na to, lalo na sa ating mga kababayan na gusto mag-apply abroad. Pa-share, pa-like, at pa-follow na rin po ng aking account para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga video ang ginagawa. Yan lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless.